Well, it's the day before Thanksgiving. Thought we ought to come out to the garden and take stock of what we're thankful for. And what I'm the most thankful for is you. Showing up, letting me show you just what's possible in a thick, deep mulch garden. We had some pretty good success this year. We had a couple minor failures. I wish I would have known this before I ever started a garden. I'm 61 years old. And if I could go back and give some advice to my 30-year-old self, this is what I'd say. Temperature does matter. I don't know how many times I put out peppers or tomatoes just to have them frost down and have to replant, or put seeds in the ground that bolted right away. I'm in a coat today. It was 80 degrees yesterday. Sometimes you don't even have to worry about what to harvest now. It'll tell you. When your odd little cantaloupes start falling off the vine, it is early fall and things are starting to die back. Our amaranth needs to be harvested, but the rest of our garden is still growing really strong. We're going to be picking beans and okra every day for at least the next 3 weeks. The mornings are a little cooler, and even the warm afternoons. You step out, you kind of feel it. We are turning into fall. Gardens are going to go ahead and wind down. We need to start thinking about this. Fall garden prep, cold frames, hugelkultur, raised beds. Riley wanted to come out to the garden. One of our viewers sent him a treat. But while he enjoys that treat, let's go ahead and talk about fall garden prep. Yeah, I thought it was good a couple days ago. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. And today is Saturday. You know what that means. We go to you and we celebrate what's going on in your garden. And there's a lot of harvesting going on. There's a lot of preparing for the next season. And that's why we succession planned. Oh, geez. From this angle, I can see something else. And it always surprises me year after year how well this stuff can hide in here. Feeds life in the soil, which feeds your plants. And as long as those roots stay cool, your plants are going to continue to produce. We had a viewer write in, and over the next 60 to 75 days, we've got a lot of growth that's going to happen in the garden. Last chance, first frost, garden's final harvest. It's going to freeze enough tonight. The okra is going to be done. Check out the peanuts. Oh, we got some good peanuts here. Oh, look at that. We're going to see. There you go. That's some sweet potatoes. We're going to be able to eat like kings. And the only reason we do this is because it tastes good. Along with our turkey, we've got sweet potatoes that came out of this garden. Green beans, peas. We can't forget those trombone squash. We still got quite a few of those left. But what I want to get today is we've still got some Jerusalem artichokes that need to be harvested. We let those die back. We're going to go ahead and let them rest in the ground. We're just going to take them as we need them. Let's see if there's a carrot or two. Uh-oh, I see some green in the weed-free garden. No, this is vetch. That's a nitrogen fixer. It's one of those wild plants we go ahead and leave in the garden. It's just low to the ground. It's very cold hardy, and the life in the soil really likes it. But right here, our Jerusalem artichokes, we just went ahead and let those die back. We're going to keep most of them in the ground. But for dinner tomorrow, I want to see if we have a few of these tubers. Yeah. So that's pretty nice. Hey, look at that. I forgot. I guess I must have dropped a peanut or two. So there's a couple peanuts. See what else we have in here. Yeah, there's a couple peanuts. Now that's enough to make a nice little batch of sunchokes. The way we like to do these, I'm gonna peel these up, we'll cut them thin, put them on a cookie sheet with a little bit of butter, and we'll let them turn brown. And they are wonderful. And of course, I'm gonna have to have a dandelion. I know we have a couple carrots here. That's pretty good. Not so great. There's an orange one. That's a stick. There you go. That's enough for salad. I'm also thankful for the winter garden. It's coming along real well. The turnips and the beets and the carrots haven't sprouted yet, but I wouldn't actually expect them to. Pretty quick though. And as it gets colder, we'll go ahead and cover this with plastic. We'll finish up that hugelkultur. I don't think we're going to plant anything in that this winter, but early in the spring we'll be ready. And what I'm most thankful for is the journey. The ability to come out here for the last 6 years and show you exactly what's possible in a deep mixed mulch garden. The lessons that I've learned, the lessons you've taught me. I am very thankful that you come by, spend a little time with me, help pick a carrot or two, help plant a beet or two. You can do this too. And remember, we do this because it tastes great. And tomorrow, when you're feasting on what came out of your garden, if you remembered me in your prayers, wouldn't hurt my feelings. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.